In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create these beautiful cherry blossom nails. For this design, I decided to go with stiletto nails. And next, I'm going to apply primer. This is the same primer that we'll use on my natural nails, but you can purchase one specifically only for prepping nail tips. Once I'm done applying the nail primer, I'm going ahead with a Meili base gel and curing it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going with this nude color that I purchased on TEMU, and I'm going to apply one layer of this, cure it for 60 seconds. For the next layer, I'm gonna be using a cat eye magnetic gel polish from Born Pretty. And for this type of gel polishes, you're going to need a magnet to move the magnets inside the gel polish and to create the desired design. Once you have the design that you like, you have to cure it right away, otherwise the magnets inside the polish are going to move out of place again. The nails are looking beautiful, as you can see. Next, I'm gonna be creating the flower petals. I'm gonna be using these two brooches and the wooden cuticle pusher to create the petals. So I'm gonna be using this wire. This is picture hanging wire. I have to separate single pieces from this wire because that's all I need. I need a thin wire. I'm going to be wrapping around the brooches this wire and just twist it around to create like a circle. Once I have the circle, I'm going to take the twister and press it in one side and press it in the other side to create a shape. It's gonna be kind of a heart shape. And then I will press it against the brush, and there you have it. I have my first petal. I'm going to repeat the same step for all the other sizes that I need. Next, I'm gonna be creating what is supposed to be branches, and it's just a tiny bit that I'm gonna feed through the wire, twist it, and I'm gonna create a few of these ones, and these are gonna be the branches. I'm done creating all the petals, and next I'm going to use top coat to fill the center of the petals. And for this, I'm gonna have my lamp here ready to go to flash cure the petals. And what I'm doing is just placing some top coat on top of wax paper, and I have to dip the tiny petals in there to create like a bubble. The tiny petals, they were easy, they're just dipping into the top coat. The bubble was created. I flash cured it just to save it in place, and I had a little bit more trouble catching a bubble with the bigger petals, but at the end it worked, so I did it. Once I'm done doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and cure the petals a little bit longer under my bigger UV lamp. Next, I'm gonna be painting the petals. I place it on an nail stand here to make my life easier. And then I'm going to apply one coat of this beautiful light pink from Born Pretty, Cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to apply a second coat. And without curing, I'm going to apply towards the bottom of the petal a darker pink to create kind of an ombre. Cherry blossom flowers are darker in the center and more lighter towards the end of the petals, and that is the look that I'm looking for. Once I finish curing all the petals, I'm going to cut the excess wire. I'm using an old cuticle clipper that I have it designated just for this type of jobs. And this is how the petals are looking right now. Next, I'm going to decorate the nails, and I'm using a rhinestone glue that I purchased on Shein. I'm gonna attach petal by petal and flash cure under this portable UV lamp that I have here, just to secure it in place. Now I'm applying a little pearl and a few caviar beads in the center of the flower. I'm gonna finish placing all the flowers. Two of the main flowers are going to be on the ring finger and the index. On the thumbnails, I'm going to apply half of the flower, and they're gonna be the other petals are gonna look like they're falling down off the flower. And the rest of the nails are gonna have smaller flowers and a random position of loose petals and branches. And once I'm done doing all the placement, I'm going to apply top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. And applying the top coat everywhere, very careful. This is going to reinforce the flowers even more. This is the final result. The nails are beautiful. It was hard work. It took me like 2 days because it was a lot of detail involved. Those little petals were so much work, but all the hard work paid off because I really like the nails. Today I applied the nails onto my natural nails with the sticky tabs for press-on nails. This is the season for cherry blossoms, and after I finished all the nails, I went to a park and I saw the beautiful cherry blossoms. I have a few clips of that park at the end of the video, so stay tuned to see it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and you have a wonderful day. See you on the next one.
So quick, eh? Looking for food. Should have brought popcorn.
Oh, so cute. Look how cute. Vamos a acercar un poquito. Alta velocidad. Espero mostrar en mi canal las diferentes. These are cute.
Vienes aquí a las 8 de la noche, maybe.